Do you know that there is a strategy I have found out that a lot of creators are using to get their 1,000 subscribers fast on YouTube? I was able to get this result in 3 days on my channel on YouTube. This one, I was able to get it in 2 days. This particular video gave me this subscriber. Normally, I was battling with 20 subscribers. At times, it will climb to 25, it will drop because most of them, some people were just subscribing as a sub to sub. So later on, I come across a video how a YouTuber shared that he had 1,000 subscribers in 3 days. So I implement this strategy, and this is the result I have for this particular video. A particular video that gave me this result. I moved from 20 subscribers to 1,000 plus subscribers in less than 2 days with a particular video. So I'll be showing you the evidence of the video I'm talking about, so that you will know that I don't just talk. Yes, I don't just talk. I work with evidence. I will show you the evidence of the video on my YouTube studio. Let's dive into my YouTube studio so that you know that I know what I'm talking about. Hello guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kevin, the creator behind Grow With Kelvin. On this channel, I teach both small and new creator how to grow on YouTube. The strategy I use, the ones that work for me, I come here and share them, and the ones that don't work for me, I still come here and share them, so you don't make the same mistake. So let's dive into my YouTube studio for me to show you the proofs. So when I come to my YouTube studio and I open my YouTube studio, I'll come to contents. Yeah, so I'll come to content, so that I will just navigate the content direct. Yeah, so that I would want to make this video too lengthy. Yeah, so if I come to content, I will just come on shorts. Yeah, because it's short. I'll come on shorts. Let me look for the content here. So you can see that this particular video, this particular short you're seeing, this particular short gave me 27k view. This particular short, it gave me 27k view. And if you check here, it gave me 921 subscribers. Just a particular short you upload on YouTube and you have this result. That means this thing I'm talking about is really working. Yes, it's really working. If a particular short can give me 921 subscribers, then talk much of if I post 10 to 20, how many subscribers will I have? Yes, and you see I'm already up to 1,000 subscribers within just for this short alone. Yeah, just for this short alone. So guys, all what I did was I just hop into trending sounds. Yes, I go to my YouTube app. Let me play the video what I did there, so that you will know exactly what I'm talking about. So that if I'm mentioning trendings, you will know what I'm talking about. So I'll come to my YouTube app. So if I come to my YouTube app, I'll just click on my profile. I go to my videos, so that I'll just get the video direct and play it for you, so that you can know what I'm talking about. If you have watched this video up to this time, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, and go and do what I'm telling you. Yes, go and do what I'm telling you. This one is working 100% on YouTube now. So without scrolling too much, I'll just click on shorts, so that will just take me direct there. So I will come down here. All right, this is the video, 27K. I want to play the video so you will see. Never play Roblox before doing. So guys, these are the trending sounds. These are the trending sounds. This is a particular video that gave me that subscribers. And you see the shorts have been used 60 million, 16 million people have used this sound. Yes, 60 million people have used these sounds on their shorts. So it is mind-blowing. So if I come to analytics here, you can see the like here is 2.5K people have liked this particular video. So if I come on analytics, you're going to see that this is what it gave me. People didn't just watch, they subscribe, they share, and also they like the video. So it is mind-blowing. Guys, hop into this trend. Hop into this trend. If you want to get your 1,000 subscribers fast, hop into this trend. And I will be doing a video to show you how I will walk you practical steps on how to do it the right way for you to get the maximum result you want. So guys, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss the next video which is coming up.